Okay, let me tell you what you just watched, but in the simplest way possible. Imagine you have two toy boxes. Box one is huge. It's filled with thousands of gold toys. Lots of kids can reach in and grab one without fighting. Box two is tiny. It only has 100 silver toys inside. For years, only a few kids wanted the silver toys, so the tiny box was fine. Nobody fought, nobody rushed. But then something changed. The kids started getting nervous. They didn't trust the paper money their parents gave them anymore. They wanted something real, something they could hold. The rich kids ran to box one and grabbed gold. Easy, plenty of room. But gold was expensive. Most kids couldn't afford it. So they looked at box two, silver. Silver was cheap enough for everyone. And here's the problem. When hundreds of kids suddenly rushed to the tiny box at the same time, there wasn't enough for everyone. Prices exploded. Not because silver became better overnight, because the box was too small for that many people. The 5-year problem. Now here's the scariest part. While all these kids were fighting over silver toys, the factories also needed silver. Real factories making real things like phones, solar panels, and cars. For 5 years in a row, the world used more silver than miners dug out of the ground. Think about that. Every year, we were eating into the leftovers. The old silver sitting around. And nobody cared because there was always enough, until there wasn't. So now you have two groups fighting over the same tiny box. Group 1, factories that need silver to make stuff. Group 2, scared people who want silver because they don't trust paper anymore. Both groups trying to grab from a box that's been getting emptier for 5 straight years. That's why silver didn't just go up. It exploded. It tripled in just a few months, while gold just climbed normally. Not because silver is magic, because when you have a tiny box and everyone rushes it at once, chaos happens. Patience versus panic. Now let's talk about what this really means. Gold is what rich people buy when they're worried, but they have time. They can wait. They can be patient. They have vault space and bank accounts. Silver is what regular people buy when they're worried right now. When the fear feels urgent, when they need something heavy in their hands today, not next year. Gold is patience. Silver is panic. When silver starts moving faster than gold, it's not exciting news. It's not a good investment tip. It's a warning. It means the fear has spread from the boardrooms to the living rooms, from the wealthy to everybody else. It means regular people have stopped trusting the system. The thermometer. Here's what you need to understand. Silver doesn't break the economy. Silver doesn't cause problems. Silver is the thermometer. It shows you when things are breaking. When you see silver prices jumping around like crazy, it's not because silver changed. It's because trust changed. People are asking a question. Is this paper money real? Are these numbers on my screen real? Or do I need something I can actually touch? And when enough people ask that question at the same time, they all reach for the same thing. The tiny box, silver.